Continuous section breaks allow us to format a selected section of a document differently to the rest of the page or the document. My mouse was there. I inserted a continuous section break. Put my mouse there, continuous section break, and I can format that section there differently to the rest of the document. Section break, easy to format this in a different way. I'm going to do it in a different way now, where I do not physically put in the section breaks. Undo, undo, undo. I'm going to select the text that I want to be formatted differently to the rest of the page. Select it. There is a continuous section break. Continuous section break, which has been put in there, and the area between the two breaks can be formatted differently to the rest of the page. This file has text that I wish to be formatted in a different way. I want this text from here down to be formatted in columns. Not the next line, just that, to be formatted in 2 columns. I've selected it, and I'm going to go page layout columns 2 with a line in between. I selected the text, and there's a continuous section break, and there's a continuous section break. I could have done this physically myself in a different way. Let me undo. I'm going to put a continuous section break there. I'm going to scroll down at the end, put in a continuous section break, put my mouse in the section that I want to be formatted differently to the rest of the page, and let me go to columns. And there it is. Now that is the end of the columns. That's the end of the section which has been formatted differently. I'm going, notice that is now in 1 column. That's the end, 1 column. It's a bit close. I'm going to format that. That's better. This section here is between continuous section breaks, and I was able to format that section differently to the rest of the page. Here I have some text that I want to be in columns. I want to give it bullets. The only way to give it bullets is to make it into columns and then give it bullets. I've selected it, and I'm going to go page layout columns 3 bullets. I could have put in those section breaks physically myself, that one there, and then formatted it in 3 columns. I could have done it physically, or I could have just selected the text. Here I have a blank document. I'm going to start typing. I want this bit that I'm going to type to be in 2 columns. Let me put in a section break. I'm going to type in text, put in another section break, because now I want the columns to end. Section break, add more text. Put my mouse there inside the section breaks. Correct. What I've done is started the area to be selected, ended the area to be selected, and formatted that in columns. This has not been selected for columns or anything else. I'm going to add some more text there. I'm going to put in a section break there. And here, I wonder what will happen now if I ask it to be in 3 columns. Yes, and a bit below is still 2. This has worked in 3 columns because I had a section break and a section break. And section breaks allow you to format the selected section differently to the rest of the page or the rest of the document.